That butter was made differently those days. Like she was all in a churn, and then you got in the churn and pulled it out by hand and all this. And we only had, I think our tonnage for the year was, 200 or 300 tonne of butter. That's about all. The full amount of staff would have been about 6 or 7 of us.
Very small.
We sent it away twice a week. We had butter that factory down there at the Inter-Wanganui dairy supplied the whole of the west coast. They used to have it, so as the good export butter went overseas, and the poorer butter stayed and fed us people here around from Greymouth south. So there's nothing to get a cat, a friendly cat drowned in the cream.
Yep.
See, they'd leave the lids off
Yep.
the old cat had come into the old cowshed at
Yes.
night. You go to stir her up
And there'd be a cat in there sometimes. Ooh. Did you throw that out or just throw the cat out?
only the cat. Pine butter box.
Yes.
And the Searle family used to work to make this down at Billy Levitt's sawmill down the road.
Yes.
Only cut white pine. And the day that cardboard boxes come in, this was the end of everything.
The end of the sawmill. But
Yeah.
the factory kept going.
Yeah, but they switched to cardboard.
Yep.
Yeah. Joan and I used to sneak a kiss in here occasionally.
Okay,
Yeah.
I hope that was all.
While we were at work.